My H Sound Box. Written by Jane Belt Moncure. Illustrated by Rebecca Thornborough.
You know I'm kind of shy, right?
You're shy?
Yeah, so you can do the honors while I flip the pages.
Okay. Little H had a box. I will find things that begin with my H sound, he said. I will put them into my sound box. He found some hats.
They sound with the letter H.
He put a hat on his head. Did he put the other hats into the box?
Yeah.
He did. Little H found a hen. Hello, he said. I need a hen for my sound box. He put the hen into the box with the hats. Then he found a hog. Did he put the hog into the box with the hen?
Yeah.
He did. Little H found a horse. He was happy. He hopped on the horse. He rode the horse up a high hill. I want to go higher, said little H, but the horse could not go higher. They were on top of the hill. So little H put the horse into the box with the hat, the hen, and the hog.
And the hat.
Mm-hmm.
And the mountain, right? They put the
mountain starts with M, not H, right?
Well,
so it can't go in the H box.
Well,
Can it?
Yeah.
No, it's M, mountain, right?
Well, if you're gonna do it properly.
Then he found a helicopter. Now I can go very high, he said, higher than a hill. The helicopter went so high that the hen, the hog, and the horse cried, "Help, help!" So little H put the helicopter into the box. Because the helicopter starts with what? H.
H.
Now the box was heavy. Little H put it on his head. He did not see the hole. He hopped into the hole. Help, help! How can we get out of this hole? Asked the hen, the hog, and the horse. Little H had a horn. I will blow my horn, he said. He blew the horn. A hippopotamus heard the horn. He helped them out of the hole. Hooray for the hippo, everyone hollered. Does hippo start with H?
Yeah, so he put it in the box.
Yeah. How can I thank you for helping us out of the hole? Asked little H. You can take me for a ride in a helicopter, said the hippopotamus. So little H took the helicopter out of the box. He and all the animals went for a ride. They flew over a highway over a hill, all the way home. There, little H spread out his things. My, how many he had. He had a hat, a head, a helicopter, a hen, a hog, hippopotamus, a hill, a highway, a horse,
a
a
trumpet,
horn,
a horn,
a home,
and
a hole,
and
pear, hamburger, hammer,
hand,
honey,
honey,
hive,
hive,
heart, harp, hood, hospital,
chili dog,
hot dog,
and
hummingbird.
hummingbird.
We're doing H, remember? Okay, the end.
Now let's
The end.
Somebody do